This is a 7-piece bath set, which comes with 6 little animals. And on the bottom, you wind them up so they swim. So 6 of these and the pouch, which makes it 7. And you could get this little character, the pouch, and a rabbit. You could get a bear, or you could get a shark. This is the little shark. And it comes with 2 suction cups or 2 adhesives hooks, so you could hook them up on the sides here. So you could hang up the net and put the little toys inside here. So whenever you use them for the bath, they're easily accessible. You get 2 little cute ducks, you get 3 cute little turtles, and you get 1 little crab. Okay, let's see if Harley approves. Harley, you like the toys? Yes. What do we have here? What kind of toys, Mama?
A turtle.
A turtle? Where's the turtles? Wow. 2 turtles? What else do we have? 2 little duckies? Wow, what's that one? A little crab? And what's that one? 1 more turtle. Wow, you excited to play with them?
Yeah.
All right. So the net's super easy to install with the suction cups. And here you see all the little guys in the tub. I just winded up this turtle. Now let's watch him go. Look at that. Wow.
Ready? Daddy, go. He's really fast. Woo! He's really fast, Dad.
And super easy to clean up and put away.